Hi everyone, this video is regarding how to create resume with Microsoft Word 365. So the Microsoft Word has already built-in templates that you can use it, and then you can create your resume faster. So we have a three kind of resumes actually: the chronological, functional, and the combined resume. So the chronological resumes are the most popular one, and then mostly when you're applying for a new job and you have already experience in your current field, so you can make a chronological resume. So this is one of the example also for that kind of resume. And then when you put experience, the current job is always comes on the top as a your recent job. So that's how the chronological resume works. So and these are the further headings that you can use it to create all your resume. So on the Word, when you are here, you have to go to File and then New, and then in the search box you type resume, and then when you press enter, you will see a multiple type of resumes templates are already there. So for instance, I click modern chronological resume. When I click it, so it has created this template for me, and then beside this you will notice the resume assistant is just beside here. So what it does it for you, it just when you put a role right here, and then you put a which industry you want to work with, so you just enter it here, and you will notice that it will give you the job experience examples or ideas that somebody has already done it, so you can do you put your experience in a nicer way, and then you can your experience and your accomplishments, you can put it in a good way. So these are the examples of your experience. It's just it's already there, so you can use them. And then another nice thing about this is the top skills for sales manager. So it has a multiple skills that the manager should have it. So when you are working on your resume, there is a heading calls skills, so you can put these top skills in your resume. So that's how it can assist you. So let's go to our presentation. Okay, and then when we are right now over here, so I can tell. Okay, so since we are talking about the resume, I just go quickly go through with you so that you can make a attractive resume. And so this is the first section is about the biodata, that your name, address, phone number always comes on the top, and this is your email address and a LinkedIn profile. So LinkedIn profile is very popular nowadays. So you always have to create a LinkedIn profile, and then you have to add your resume. And the next section is about the summary. So when you put your summary here, always use the nice words that explains you better. And then like here, analytical, organized, and detail oriented. So always use good words. And then after that we have a experience. So when you talk about your experience, always use it as an experience and accomplishments. So when you're talking about yourself, you have to be uh, you know mm, also talk about your accomplishments also. So for instance, this is the accountant, one of the accountant resume. So they talk about what they are doing in the company, but you can see the success examples. So always add the success examples or success stories if you have it, whatever you have achieved while you were working. For instance, if you are working as a sales manager, and during that time you increase the sales for 20%, so always add them to the resume, so which is a very good example for that. And then this is just your previous job, so you have to do the same thing for that. And then next heading is for your education. So just put your for example, you have the degree of university, so always put your degree first, and then all your certificates, and then all the education background you have it, so you put it there. And the skills I already told you in the resume assistant also. Then when you type it, they give you the top six skills for that role, so you can always get a help from there also. And the last one is activities and interests, so which is about your hobbies. You can say about your hobbies, so put as a activities and interest. So and then you can see that literature, yoga, and these kind of your hobbies, what you do, it reflects your personality, so always add them to your resume also. And then we have a functional resume. So functional resume is mostly for the people who is freshly graduate, and they don't have a lot of job experience, but they have done a kind of volunteer work, and they have so those references you can add them to your resume. And then mostly it's skill based, so whatever skills you have it, you can add more skills to the resume, and then it will work. And it has the same, you can put the references at the end, and then it will be it can be helpful for you. So this is that's how you can create it. That's all about resume. So let me know if you want to know more details about the resume and how to create it, so I can even make more videos on the resume. But this is just a a combination of the word that you can how you can use the resume templates in the word, and then you can create it. And then this is I told you what I have done to my resume, so I have just explained those things to you also. So so that's all. So hopefully this video will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So then take care. Bye bye.